We continue looking at CSEC Mathematics Paper 1, January 2021. We're at question 32. It says item 32 refers to the following diagram, which shows a circle, center at O, you have a center here, and with a sector. So this is a sector, alright, and the major and minor arcs indicated. So remember, the major arc would be this arc here, part of the circumference. That's a bigger arc, and then the minor arc is a smaller arc, the other part of the circumference. The question says in the diagram, the length of the corresponding major arc FE is 40 centimeters. So my major arc F, we cannot call it FE because FE can go around this way or this way. So MJA, the major arc, called 40 centimeters. All right. What is the circumference of the circle in centimeters? All right, you want the circumference of the circle. Now remember, the whole circumference would be 2 pi r. All right. Now, part of the circumference would be the arc. Let's call it ARC, equals 2 pi r times a certain ratio. That ratio is the same as the angle in the arc divided by 360. So it would be the angle theta over 360. Alright? Now, the major arc, they say, is 40. So 40 equals 2 times pi. Let's call it 22 over 7 if you want. They didn't tell us what to use as pi. We just use that, times r, the radius, whatever it is, right, times the angle, well, the angle of the major arc. You know, the minor arc is 60, so the major arc would be 360 minus 60. What remains from this 60, what is around here, would be angle in the major arc. So this over 360. So what you have is 40 equals, this is 22 times 22 over 7 times r times 300 over 360. So what we do is calculating the radius here of the circle. So what happened here? We cancel down 10 in, there are 30 tens in 300 and there are 36 tens in 36. That in 360 I mean. Let's cancel down by 6. 6 into 35, 6 into 36, 6. Good. So, what we have here then, let's continue over here. We have that 40 equals 2 times 22 times r times 5 over 7 times 6. That is what we have. Alright? So 7 by 6 is 42. So, hold on. Let us cancel down some more first. 2 into 2, 1. 2 into 6, 3. So it's 7 by 3 that we have here. So we have 40 equals 22 over 7. This 22 is multiplied by r up here by 5 over 7 by 3. Call it 7 3 is 21 now. So this is 21. 22 over 21. That's only a little more than 1. So it is cancel. If you call this 22, it would cancel down. So, and remember, we're not going for perfect accuracy here. We want to see what the answers are. It's multiple choice. Alright? Oh, by where did I get the 3 up from up here? It's 5. Where did I write 3? So it's 40 equals 2 by 22. Good. By r by 5 over 7 by 3. Because we cancel down and get 3. 7 3 is 21. And we just change it to 22 to cancel this 22 up here. R by 5. And then we say 40 equals 5 times r. We cancel down with 5. 5 into 5, 1. 40 over 5 is 8. So the radius is 8. So what's the circumference? Circumference is 2 times pi, 22 over 7, times r, which is 8. So what would this give us? It would give us, alright, you see this is going to be 44 by 8 over 7. 8 over 7 is just a little bit more than 1. So we're going to be a little bit more than 44. Let's see what the answers say. A little over 44. The closest one you have is this, 48. Alright? So, remember, I said the circumference of the circle, 44 by 8 over 7. It's going to be a little more than 44. So, we choose 48 as the answer here. Now, the 48 is kind of close to 50 though. But let us say we're not in exam today, so we can try a little thing here. Suppose we use a calculator and work it out. What is the number that we would get? The circumference is 2 pi r. So here, this now is 40 equals 2 times 22 over 7. We are going to use the full pi, the real pi, alright, times 300 over 360. Now, 2 times pi times 300 over 360 equals. So, r would be multiplied by 5.236. Alright? So, all of this part, 2 pi times 300 over 360 would amount to 5.236. If you divide 40 by that, you put 40 over that, equals, you get 7.6 something. That would be the radius. Now, circumference is 2 times pi times this equals, and you get 47.9999 something. So, just about 48. So, 48 would really and truly be our answer here.